Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce computing costs with HP Enterprise easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, assess your current computing environment. Identify all hardware and software in use. Evaluate usage patterns for each component. Next, consider consolidating servers. Utilize HP's virtualization solutions to maximize resource efficiency. Implementing virtualization will reduce hardware requirements. Now, explore cloud services provided by HP Enterprise. Switching to cloud solutions can lower maintenance costs and increase scalability. After assessing your infrastructure, analyze your energy consumption. HP Enterprise offers energy-efficient hardware to help cut down on energy costs. Consider replacing outdated equipment with newer, more efficient models. Check for available savings programs or discounts from HP. Utilize HP's cost management tools to track expenses. These tools can provide insights into your spending patterns. Next, optimize your software licensing. Review your current licenses and eliminate any unused software. Consider moving to subscription models for more flexible spending. Now, focus on employee training and awareness. Educate your team on best practices for resource management. Encourage them to adopt energy-saving habits in their daily tasks. Lastly, regularly review your computing costs. Set a schedule to analyze your expenses quarterly. By continuously monitoring your costs, you can make informed adjustments. Implement these steps with HP Enterprise to effectively reduce your computing costs. This approach will lead to significant savings and improved efficiency over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.